and welcome to vlog day 26. Yes, vlog day 26. So it actually is morning, and we had a 2-hour delay this morning because it's icy, and it is still icy. But school starts at 10 because we had a 2-hour delay, and we still go home at 2:30. So yeah. Oh, my camera's about to die. Why didn't I charge it? Sorry. I'm going to charge it when I get home from school, and then I will vlog after school. Okay? So I'll see you guys after school, and yeah. Thank you. Wish me good luck on school. See you guys later. So guys, I am back at home. My mom's at the store. I'm with Bernie in here. My stepdad and my little sister are downstairs with Trigger, my other dog. But before we actually get our vlog started, I have to talk to you guys about something that people are doing on the internet. So people are doing the Tide Pod Challenge. If you do not know what the Tide Pod Challenge is, it's where you get the Tide Pods are things you use to clean laundry. Obviously, you don't eat them. Well, people are actually getting Tide Pods and eating them. They're putting them in their mouth, and they pop, and all the laundry detergent comes in their mouth. If you have done the Tide Pod Challenge, I can't even say what's going to happen because it's very dangerous. It's very, it has lots of chemicals in it. So you never want to eat a Tide Pod. That's why they make all these different, those bags that have really sealed things on them so nobody eats them. Never eat things that you know are poisonous. Tide Pods, yes, it's a challenge. You think you're going to become famous. No, you're just going to become dumb. Because I'm sorry, but eating Tide Pods is bad for you. You're not supposed to eat them. And this challenge just has changed people, like YouTube. I know I usually don't get serious with you guys, but seriously, if you ever ate a Tide Pod, then I don't know what's going to happen because Tide Pods are really dangerous. They have chemicals, poisons. Doctors are saying things online like, don't eat them, kids, don't eat them. How did you graduate kindergarten if you are making this decision now of eating a Tide Pod? Yes, it's a challenge. It's not going to make you famous. It's going to make you sick. So, do not eat Tide Pods. Yeah. Alright guys, let's actually start this vlog. Never tried the Tide Pod Challenge. I never tried the Tide Pod Challenge, and I'm not dumb enough to do that. So the people who are doing it are dumb. Don't copy what people do. If they get famous, then they get famous, but then they get sick. They get famous for a bad reason. So don't do it. If you did it, I'm sorry for you. Just tell your doctor that you did it, and now you saw me talking about it. So just don't do it. I'm sorry. Just don't do it, guys. It's really bad for you. Let's get this vlog started and have some fun. It's actually after school, and it's kind of late, but we're going to do some good stuff. I have a sock in my hand, 2 socks, they're together. But yeah, let's get this vlog started. Don't eat Tide Pods, guys. Don't eat them. They're really bad for you. Let's get this vlog started. I know I already did an intro before school started, but yeah. I just wanted to talk about Tide Pods and not to eat them. Okay. So guys, we're going to do an updated house tour for today's vlog. Let's just get straight into it. Be quiet. All right. She's going crazy. Say hi to the vlog, you crazy kid. And then there's Gianni, but I can't see him because it says slow connection. There's me, there's a pole, and then there's the camera. All right, let's just get this house. What was that? Let's just get this house tour started. So everyone, this is the door, of course. I did a house tour before, but it wasn't that good because it was a new house. And then this is the closet and the shoe place. And then see, we renovated it. We got this bookshelf that has no books on it. We have the TV and the couch right here. Yes, it's very fancy. No, not really. But yeah. but it's still cool. Then we have this little toy section over here with this supposed to be like a little desk, but it wasn't. And then we have like this, and then the toys in the window. Then we have my dogs. Then we have another desk, which is for like the computer. And then we have trigger whining. Then this is the pantry. Yes, the pantry, very fancy. Then over here we must have the kitchen, like where we keep our food and such. Yeah, you know what a kitchen is. And then for some reason, there's a bathroom in the kitchen. Okay, there's a bathroom in the kitchen. It has a wagon in it because it's Emery's wagon. Then there's my dog again. Alright, and now let's walk out here. Okay, and then we have the dining room and the dog's crates over there. And then we have the backyard, which I'm not showing you. Okay. Because you don't know where we live, because you know, you could see everything. So then we go upstairs from the dining room, and we go, sorry, I'm doing a vlog over here. Okay, and then we go to this room, which is my sister's room. Then we go to my room. Then we go to the bathroom, and then we go to the laundry room, which was literally right in the hallway. And then over here is my mom and my stepdad's room. Hold on. Then there's my friends. Yeah. Okay, let me put the camera right here. Or the phone right there. So guys, yeah, that's the new house. Sorry if I was a little distracted. But that's the new updated house. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's short vlog. I think it's short. But, yep, she's loud. She's loud. You know it. She's there. There. Say hi to the vlog, guys. Say hi. Oh my gosh, you're crazy. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed vlog day 26, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for vlog day 27. And yeah, here are the bloopers. Bye guys. Love ya. Peace out. Subscribe and like. Oh, it's not supposed to be. I wasn't ready to start the intro. Uh-oh, I just pressed the button. It's recording. Oh no, this should be a blooper for today's vlog. Say hi, everyone. Alright, say hi. It's a blooper.